Hello, I am Dr. Asha Bakshi and I bring greetings from Indore. Today's question is to Dr. Milind Shah. Dr. Milind Shah, we know, has been president of ISOPARV. He has also been vice president of FOXI. He holds many important positions in various societies. My today's question to Dr. Milind Shah is, we all know MTP Act in 1972 has saved many women from unsafe abortion. Now there is a lot of discussion about its amendment in the year 2020. Can you explain what are the additional advantages of these amendments?
This is a very good question, Dr. Asha. Nowadays, all we OBGYNs do anomaly scan between 18 to 22 weeks, and we are able to detect so many anomalies because of the advances in the technology. But when it comes to the termination of pregnancy after 20 weeks, it was a big legal recourse that women need to face to opt for the termination of pregnancy. But after this MTP Act Amendment 2020, which recently on 2nd of March 2020 passed in the Union Cabinet, it has become a big relief to all those women who want to seek termination of pregnancy after 20 weeks. According to this amendment, the women can opt for termination of pregnancy till 24 weeks. And even the opinion of two registered medical practitioners for the second trimester, that is from 12 to 20 weeks, has been again changed. Now only one registered medical practitioner can opine for the termination of pregnancy up to 20 weeks, and after 20 to 24, the two opinions are required. One more good amendment is about the married women, which was written in the previous act. Now it has been written as the women and her partner, because we do understand that there are many single women or the unmarried women. All this can take the advantage of this termination of pregnancy till 24 weeks, because the rape victims, the unmarried girls, all these they come late to the clinicians for termination of pregnancy. Even the consent of guardian, which was a bit the problem for all those unmarried women, has been removed, and women can give her own consent as well. The confidentiality is the main concern, and because of that, many women go to the VACs or they opt for the unsafe abortion. Because of this amendment, again this confidentiality is properly stressed, and women can opt termination of pregnancy with good confidentiality. So all these things is definitely a good boon to the reproductive health rights of the woman. And I'm very sure all those unfortunate women with improvident pregnancy can avail safe abortion up to 24 weeks of pregnancy. Thank you very much.